Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check in on the Ryanair flight app. First, go to the App Store if you are using an iOS device or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. Then search for the Ryanair app, download it and open it. Next, log in using your Ryanair account or booking reference along with your last name. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Now, on the home screen, tap My Bookings. After that, select your upcoming flight and tap Check-in. Next, select the passengers you want to check in. Then, verify that the names, passport, or ID numbers and flight details are correct, because any errors can prevent boarding. After that, choose your seats. Free seats are automatically assigned, but you can also select paid options such as front row or extra leg room. It is recommended to choose your seats early to avoid paying extra fees later. Then, tap Check-in or Confirm. The app will generate your boarding pass. You can save it on your phone or add it to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet for easy access. Finally, keep the boarding pass available offline on your phone in case of network issues at the airport. Increase your screen brightness for easy scanning at the gates and optionally print a backup if you are traveling internationally. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.